Hey, are you guys finding ways to get rid of those hard and thickened skin in your heel and foot area? No, don't go to Salon. I have something better for you. Presenting UltraCare Pro Eva Callus Remover, your go-to companion for getting soft and flawless feet in minutes. Today, let's unbox this product. To begin with, the main body of the product, the callus remover. Next, the 3 roller heads. The coarse grinding roller head for calluses, dead skin and delicate skin. The regular grinding roller head for new calluses and normal skin. The fine grinding head for thick and hard calluses. These roller heads can also be used at 3 different speed variations. Then we have a USB charging cable because the product is rechargeable and a single charge lasts up to 180 minutes. Then we have a cleaning brush essential for keeping those roller heads clean and debris free for next use. A protective cover for keeping the roller heads safe and sound at all times. That's it for unboxing. Now let's see how to use this callus remover. Choose one of the 3 roller heads. Hold the product and press the release button on the right side to insert the roller head until you hear a click. Short press the power button to switch the device on. Again, short press the power button to switch between the 3 speed levels displayed at the bottom of the device. Gently move the callus remover over the dry, rough skin on your feet and heel. After use, short press the power button to turn off the device. In the end, rinse your feet and apply a moisturizer for best results. Use the brush provided in the box to clean the overall product and enjoy smooth and flawless feet in minutes. I personally prefer this product, so go grab yours. Thank you for watching.